So this is a festival of invasives. You have, not in any particular order, but the worst is the wisteria, which is completely out of control, taking over your entire property and going over into the woods. Next up, Japanese knotweed, extremely small amount. You're going to run and get that done today by the roots into a garbage bag. Monitor that area extremely carefully because half an inch of a root fragment can sprout. Then you've got buckthorn, multiflora rose, bittersweet, creeping buttercup. You've got purple loosestrife, and a variety of other things that I am probably forgetting. A lot of bad stuff, but hey, you can do a double axle. This is one of the hardest things in figure skating, you know what I mean? You can do those crazy things that people like me watch and go, oh my God, how do they do it? So you can do anything, I think. You know what I mean? You're gonna go one area at a time, ASAP, before things go to seed and berry, and you're going to figure this out. I'm confident. So it's gonna be amazing, but it's a huge undertaking. Yeah. Probably more than you could have even imagined when you bought this place.